Having sound issues on REDnote app? Here's how to fix it. Check the volume. Make sure your device volume is turned up and not muted. Check app permission. Open the settings. Then scroll down and tap on the apps option. And select the Manage app. Find and tap on the REDnote. Likewise, click on the app permission and check whether the REDnote has permission to access the sound. Clear the app cache. Tap on the Clear Data option. Then select the Clear Cache and confirm your action. Now go back to your home screen. Update the app. Visit the Google Play Store and search REDnote from the search bar. Update the app if available. If the issue persists, reach out to the REDnote Support Center. This step should help to fix the sound problem.